Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to allow message previews for groups on Telegram web using your PC. This feature comes with the new update, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to quickly see what's being said in their group chats without opening them fully. Let's get started right away. First, open Telegram web on your computer. You can do this by typing the official Telegram web address into your browser and logging in with your account if you aren't already. Once you're inside, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 small dots right beside your profile picture or chat list. Click on those 3 dots, that's where the main menu lives. From there, a drop-down list will appear with several options. Choose Settings from the list. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find many options that control how Telegram behaves and looks. For this tutorial, focus on Notifications. Click on it to open your notification preferences. Now, look through the list until you find a section labeled Message Preview. You'll notice there are separate options for private chats, channels, and groups. To allow message previews for your group chats, make sure the checkbox next to Groups under the Message Preview section is turned on. Once you tick that box, message previews for groups will be enabled. This means that whenever someone sends a message in a group you're part of, you'll see a small snippet of that message right in your notification preview without having to open the chat.